What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name's Nelson. We're inside the Chevy Tahoe now, and I wanted to go for a quick drive just so we can see these tow mirrors. You see, I have on my left, the driver's side tow mirror is installed and it's looking good. On my passenger side, I have the stock mirror. And I wanted to just see how shaky this mirror was gonna be. It's fully installed. Everything is ready to go. Let's check out this turn signal. And look at that. Just lights up a little red. And it also does it on the outside too, which is cool. What do you guys think? And I really want to get your comments on this thing because talking to the boss and he's not 100% sold on these mirrors. I think those are definitely better. I like the way that it looks on the inside, and I want to give you guys an inside look, give you guys the outside look, because the outside also, it brings a little bit of aggression, and I think it looks totally legit. I mean, who's gonna give you that inside look and just look at it? It looks super cool. I wanted to see what noises it was gonna make, wanted to see what rattles it was gonna make, and it seems to be doing pretty good, but I haven't adjusted it, so let's do that right now. Bring it, oh, too much. Bringing it up. Okay, I think we got it now. And look, it's not blinking fast, it's not blinking anything because it does have the LEDs. That means it must have some kind of resistor built into it, and doing really well. Look, that guy's got tow mirrors too, but these are even better tow mirrors, and they do open up, and they are just crystal clear. Let me open these up. Oh, look at that. Now it's a monster. I think, is it too much? Is it too little for a family SUV, for a Tahoe like this? I mean, it's the V8 4-wheel drive, so I think these tow mirrors just fit it perfectly. You don't have to have a lifted truck or a lower truck. You don't have to have anything super customization. I think these mirrors are cool. I think they're pretty practical. Motors, tow mirrors. And I've never owned tow mirrors. I've never owned a vehicle with tow mirrors, so this is really exciting. And you can see here they just have this giant truck with their bad tow mirrors. I want my mom with me to do the unboxing.
Hello.
Heavy duty, big box. This nice foam padding pads that you put in the back, bolts. Have an LED on the side that you can run right through here, and you connect it all the way to the back to your back tail lights if you want to use that. I'm not sure if we're gonna be using it or not. Finally is,
It's very sturdy and kind of heavy.
it's heavy, huh? I gotta tell you, these tow mirrors are bad. They are bad. Bad to the bone. Let's take this off. And they are heavy. All right, here it is, super clean. Here's that LED that we're talking about.
And it comes two of them.
Yeah, there's two. So this one's electrical, this one's manual.
Oh.
LED for the reverse. And then over here on this side, we have a fogged out turn signal, and I like that it's fogged out.
Oh.
Check this out, hold on.
Oh, it comes.
And it extends as well. Pretty cool. And we have our electro connectors here. So you want to double check to make sure these fit your truck, because I installed them. I tried to install these on my 2001 Silverado. They did not fit because the electrical connectors, and it's just too much to cut these wires and run it and this and that, you know? Okay, Mom, that's the unboxing. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. Mwah. Oh, you're trying to kiss. We got both our mirrors right here, side by side. Electrical connections, they're exactly the same. You see we have a blue one here, fits exactly the same, and a black one. Looks like the factory one is just a bit longer. Good insulation, really good insulation. Not heat shrinked like this one, but good insulation. Also, here is the centering pin, and this one right here on your original, it has a mount. So when you unbolt these three, it's not just gonna fall out, compared to this one that has no mount, just has this centering piece right here. Once you remove these three, it's gonna fall. Cool stud. This one right here is longer than this smaller one. Really big, important thing, because the longer this stud right here is, the stronger of a hold it's gonna be. And you're gonna need that because this is a hefty, I mean powerful mirror. This is the original nut. Here is the brand new supplied nut. And I don't really like these. I like this one right here. Same kind of concept. The bigger it is, the bigger the washer, the more it's gonna hold it down, the stronger. And I really like these, and they fit perfect. So if you're not planning on using the reverse light, you don't need to bother with this. Want to install this right here before installing them. Just has a hole through here. Just gonna fit your stuff. Might need to make it a little bit bigger. Anyway. And this is how the original one is. This wiring harness goes right through here, right in the centering kind of hole. Just exactly like this one. There's these clips too. And you can remove these and use them, I guess, but I'm just gonna use zip ties. I don't really care too much. Hey guys, those are the big key differences between them. We do need to remove our door panel to install these mirrors. You can see they're just running right through here, and the only reason we need to do that is to run the wiring harness. Need no plastic trim tools, man. I'm a man. Just pop this out right here. Do it carefully, just like that. Millers right here in the back. Got them all three loosened up, and it's not falling because it has this plastic tab here holding it in place. A small ratchet here with a 7. Pop this guy free. He's in the middle in between this black piece here, so let's remove him. Short 10mm compared to that other one that's long. You don't need no plastic tools. Hashtag real men at work. The T20, and this one right here is just a plug. Pull them straight out like that. Easy peasy again. Just make sure to be careful on your panel. Just like that, a T20. All right, got them. And that's it. Now we're just gonna pry this window up, grab it right here, give it some shakes, go up from the bottom, give him some shakes. Electrical harness holding this guy in place, and I am gonna remove the entire panel because that way it's not hanging here, that way it's not in my way. Let's remove this bottom piece first. This is for the light. Definitely don't have to do this, but I ended up removing this piece right here. You have to remove this from the back, and I just did it so I can show you how to remove your clips that are over here attached to your electrical components. This is the tweeter speaker, so don't worry about that one. This one right here is the first one. You just pinch it right here, and she is off. This one right here is a little bit trickier, especially when you can't see. You're gonna wanna get in here, push this down, and then that, like that. And then push it all the way down, comes right off. And this is your blue one. This one's gonna be for the power mirrors. Easy peasy, just press down here, pull. And that's that one. Just basically just get this blue wire and run it back down, and then pinch these 3 tabs for it to come out. And this is gonna be part of the giveaway. Ah, there I am! This is gonna be part of the giveaway. So I'm gonna be selling these mirrors on Facebook Marketplace. I think they're worth about 50 bucks at least. So I'm gonna be giving away $50 at the end of this week. That's right. Comment, like, and subscribe. I'm gonna be double checking. You can comment as much times as you want. And the winner is gonna get the cash from these speakers. I think they're worth 50 bucks. I'm gonna sell them for 50 bucks and then give the $50 to you. I can send you the money through a Cash App. Ah! What I'm talking about, this one has this centering ring, but it doesn't have anything to hold it in place. So I'm gonna have to put this on and then screw it with the screws, which are all the way over there. So I better get them closer. Make sure our gasket is in correctly. Fish our bolts through. There you go. The weakest setting, which is basically hand tight. Really nice fit seal all the way around. All right. This way over here with our other harness. The damage is done, bro. Get our electrical going. And it's gonna be a little more difficult because we can't see. You wanna start low and then work your way up, clip it into here, and then clip the rest of the clips in. That's all it is. There's not actually any pull clips, so don't pull on this. Just keep wiggling it until you got it all sitting perfectly. Check all your corners and you'll be good to go. Now let's install everything back on with this foam, and it already has the indentations of this thing here. The bottom one, the long one, our smaller 7, and this one goes here. And remember, this black thing went through it. And he just pops in. There you go. Fish him through. All in. Last one is him. Boom. That's it. That's all there is to it. Let's see how these close. Oh! Dang. My bad. I forgot I had my Milwaukee over here.